Hey guys, we're in Stockholm, Sweden today, and me and Rachel are gonna do a little photo shoot with Sasha. We're just here kind of next to Old Town, I think. We're just gonna show you guys how we shoot, and it's like a little behind the scenes. We're gonna show you guys some pictures and just us shooting together. So today I'm using the 5D Mark III with the 24 to 70 lens.
I'm using the 5D Mark IV with the 35.
Again, we have model Sasha. I'm gonna have all her information. We're just gonna be walking around, and any place that I find interesting, I'm just gonna stop. The first place I chose is actually right here behind us, and I'm choosing this location because I really like the orange colors. I think I can make it pop out. So do you wanna do it together? Do you wanna do it separately? Whatever you want.
We can do it together and I'll just stay out of your way. We shoot together a lot, so I'm good at
Well, no, you don't have to stay out of my way. You can go out here in the video. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll just shoot together. Let's do, I'm shooting pretty wide, so I don't know how this is gonna work.
I'll stay out of your way.
No, I'm just joking, No. But yeah, me and Rachel are gonna be shooting together and it's gonna be a lot of fun. Okay. Beautiful, great job. Let's have you looking out this way. I'm just trying to look for like colors, textures, colors.
There's so much of that around.
Like if you were to maybe stand like right here. I kind of like it. What do you think? With the color in this? Yes, beautiful, beautiful. Don't move. Great job. It smells like sausages, doesn't it? Or meatballs, right? Or am I smelling things? I don't know. Can you have me walking towards us? Or how about walking like that and looking back? Walking this way and like looking back like this. And go. Are you running away? That's great. Stay right there. Bend your elbow a little. Bend this. Yeah, there you go. Amazing. Yeah, got some great shots. So cool, right here. So this is the last location that we kind of chose, and I think that we're just walking around and picking anything that we find nice. Oh.
Sorry. Do you want to start over again? Sorry.
She's
I
like,
was in my own
She's like, Rachel's like, I don't want to talk to her. So I think we're just walking around and trying to find some nice places. So if you're a photographer and you're trying to find a location to shoot, I know a lot of you guys have trouble with that. My personal tip is find some nice colors that will complement the outfit. And try to find textured walls. What do you do when you're going out on location and shooting?
We're always looking for textures, light, and colors, and the light is perfect here.
The
so
light
you don't
is
have to
really
worry about-
nice.
Yeah, and yeah, like you saw this red in the background.
So we saw this right here. You're gonna see, and it caught my eye right away. We're gonna have Sasha stand right here and model with this beautiful building. I'm not sure what it is, but I have a feeling someone in the comments is gonna tell me. So I'll leave it up to you guys. Can we do some sitting? Would you mind if she was sitting on here? Maybe do something where you're like leaning in. There you go. Perfect. Good job. That thing has pockets? Yes. Oh my God. That changes the game. Okay, so that's the end of it. How are we feeling, you guys? Consensus?
Great. It was awesome.
It was pretty cool. I think it's really simple. You just walk, you find a nice place and you shoot there. You find some good light.
I think it's easier when you don't live there and then everything is fresh. You come in with fresh eyes.
But I think it's, you know, whenever you go to a new place, you get really excited and you want to shoot everywhere. We want to say a huge thank you to Sasha, our model. It's kind of raining right now and it's a little bit cold, so you know, she's been a trooper this whole time, amazing model. So I'm gonna have her link in the description and in this video so you guys can say hello and thank you. And we wanna thank Daniel and now Rachel behind the camera for collaborating and shooting with me. What do you think, by the way, what do you think about shooting in a foreign country? That I was gonna ask Rachel that too.
If you come in with like that fresh perspective, I think it's really fun. It can be like revitalizing. So we always think it's like a great thing to travel if you're in a rut. You can afford it.
Yes, it gives you some inspiration.
Yeah.
And also, I don't think we had any issues shooting here. We weren't stopped by anybody. No one really was staring at us or saying anything to us.
So
I don't think anyone really cares. Like people have just been walking past us, which is kind of refreshing here. But I mean, okay, I spoke too soon. What's up, guys? Okay, so we got a little bit of staring, but it's all good. It's good. It's positive staring. So we're gonna have all the pictures in the video. Let us know which location you guys like best, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.